If you think a design portfolio is a PDF which shows your works, you are a little bit wrong about that. Design portfolio is not only about your works, it's about how your brain works, how you think about a project, why you do a project. Many of you directly focus on the end result of the projects in your portfolio, like you put nicely done renders, all these 3D models or Photoshop renderings, or even the sketches which are done perfectly. You are missing a very important point. When you send your portfolio to a professional designer or to a design studio for applying internship, job, or even to a design school, the person who is looking at your portfolio is also interested in your approach on problem solving, about creativity, about your vision, and also about your personality, of course. So it's really important to show how you think rather than only showing the end result of your beautifully designed vehicle or the car or the product, whatever it is. You hear a lot about putting the best work of yours on your portfolio. I also say that you should put really the best work of yours in your portfolio, but at the same time you need to show a little bit of background of it. You need to show a little bit of the story of the project. Designers are definitely creative people, and creative people are curious about the stories. We are always questioning why something is the way it is. We are always asking why. Why does it look like this? Why does it work like this? Why is it that color? Why this car has 2 seats and not 4? Or why this car has electric motor rather than internal combustion engine? Or many questions. Today we use social media like a portfolio, like also my Instagram. I always put things related to car design. It's nice, it's good, but on social media it's really easy to just get a like or just get an attention by putting a nice sketch or a nice render or 3D model or whatever it is. But on portfolio, when you want someone to hire you, you cannot just show nice stuff, because everybody can do nice stuff, nice sketches, like eye-catchy stuff, and get some likes on social media. It's not that difficult compared to getting hired by a company. Think about the viewer of your portfolio. Think about the person who will decide they want to work with you, or they want to hire you as an intern, or they will accept you to school as a student. They are not looking for only what you can do. They are not interested in only the end result. They want to know how you approach to things, how you approach to problems, or how you even find the problems. It's another point. We always say designers are problem solvers. Yes, that's true. We also need to find the problems first to solve them. So if you watched any video about Start With Why, you probably know about Simon Sinek. I watched him first time a couple of years ago, and he was showing why is that important rather than how or what. So also on your portfolio you need to start with why. You need to show why you did this project, and then you need to show how did you approach to this project, and as the end result on the what part you can show this nicely done renders and sketches and everything. And I'm not telling you to write a lot of text on your portfolio to tell a story. That's not what I want to say. You need to show your story visually. You need to sketch anyway. You will show these nice sketches and also quick and dirty sketches on your portfolio to show all this process. And if you are not confident with your sketching skills, I think it's the right moment for me to say that I have my Cardesign 101 online course that you can find the link in description, that I will teach you all the basics about car design sketching. Because if you want to be car designer, really sketching should be already done. Like, you should be good at sketching. And if you have any doubts, again, go check out my course. And then you should use the skills like an automatic thing. Like, you shouldn't think about how to sketch well. So this way, even while thinking about the project, thinking about creativity, while trying to find new ideas, you will sketch good anyway. So this was my third video on portfolio tips, and if you are now building your portfolio, if you are on this progress, you can check the playlist somewhere here, because portfolio is not only one approach. You need to consider a lot of different things, and I'm creating different videos for portfolio, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you a little bit with your portfolio journey, and if so, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe me, and see you on the next video.